Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide blue trick in WhatsApp. Just follow my all steps without skipping. First of all, go to Play Store and update WhatsApp to the latest version. Click on three dot. Click on settings. Now click on privacy. Now turn off read receipts. Viewers, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.